The Supreme Court has stepped in with sweeping new directions on the country's stray dog and cattle crisis, effectively redrawing the balance between animal rights and public safety. In a significant order, the court has said stray dogs will now have to be removed from schools, hospitals, bus stands, railway stations and sport facilities and will not be sent back after sterilization, as the existing animal birth control rules hasn't allowed that. The removal would be done within 8 weeks, the court has ruled. Also pulling up, the state governments are failing to enforce those very ABC rules, pointing to an amicus report that found missing shelters, too few dog catchers and incomplete sterilization drives here. Municipal authorities have now been told to fence sensitive public spaces to ensure strays can't enter. It's not just dogs. The court has extended its directions to stray cattle as well, ordering all states to remove them from highways and expressways and create proper shelters.
असल में क्या हुआ है कि इस देश में जो लोग पावर में बैठते हैं उनको समझ ही नहीं आता है कि कोई भी चीज़ का समाधान ठीक से साइंटिफिकली कैसे हो सकता है। तो उनकी आइडिया है हटाओ हटाओ एक ऑफ विद योर हेड वाला मामला है कि जो भी रास्ते में है उसको मारो, हटाओ, गायब करो। ये कैसे हो सकता है? अब हम लोग लेते हैं स्पेसिफिकली। उन्होंने स्पेसिफिकली ये बोला है कि 5,000 कुत्तों को एक जगह में डालो और उठा करके रखेंगे कहाँ? एक जगह नहीं है, दिल्ली में, बॉम्बे में, नासिक में, अररिया में, जालंधर में, कहाँ रखें? दूसरी बात यह है कि ना आपके पास स्टाफ है, ना आपके पास पैसे हैं रखने के लिए। चलिए, उसके बिना भी कहाँ रखेंगे आप?
I'm going straight across to Anisha Mathur for more on that. Anisha, break down this order for us. What does it really mean as far as enforcement is concerned, which has always been a problem area that we've seen as far as the stray dog issue is concerned, isn't it?
Well, yes, clearly, Sneha, the question that you're asking is exactly what the animal rights activists are also asking. How exactly is the implementation going to happen? Because if you look at the report that has been filed by amicus curiae Gaurav Agrawal, most of the states in India have not done what they were supposed to do since August. Remember, earlier also the Supreme Court has passed clear directions to pick up stray dogs, sterilize them and put the aggressive dogs into shelters and not return them. That was the order passed in August. Now, once again, with many stray dog bite cases coming in, the Supreme Court has passed specific orders for for educational institutions. Remember, this is not just schools, but also universities. Educational institutions, sports facilities, railway stations, bus addas, and hospitals. These 5 areas, dogs have to be picked up, taken to shelters, and not returned. That is the specific order.